YouTube, good morning. How we doing? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Tuesday. How we doing? Trying to fix the little technical headache we got right now. Hopefully it'll be rolling in a second. How we doing, YouTube? Shout outs KIMBA gang always. Let's go. Yeah. Shout outs Blago. Shout outs Buzz. Yeah, I know it's not live on Twitch. We're trying to fix it. Thank you. Thank you. Aja. Shout outs Buzz. Thank you. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I had a sound thing, and so I didn't click it until like 20 seconds after the timer, but it usually is it's usually Gucci. Let's go. Hero. I'm on. Yeah, we're still trying to fix the Twitch. Yeah. Shoutouts calling noob. Good morning. How you doing? How you doing? I guess I'll get the market open predictions in. Yeah, it is like the Starship Enterprise, and so they only give me like limited capacity for fixing stuff. Uh-oh. Sound getting killed on Twitch is a good sign, actually. Oh, never mind. It was just a different song. Shit, it's a Kachoya. How you doing, Imont? How you doing, Aja? How you doing, Buzz? How we doing, KIMBA gang? How we doing, YouTube? Let's go. Hey, what's going on? That's about right. This is how many people I normally would have. We see who the real viewers are. 16 viewers. Really breaking YouTube on this one. Let's go, Ace. Let's go. Feeling bullish. Dunno. Yeah. I mean, holding higher lows. You got a sweep up here. But we still got a gap to fill. Yeah, let's go, Best Bert. Let's go. Even got my coffee in my cup. This is just one of those days, I think, but it's pre-FOMC, so it's better to go through this hiccup now than it is for tomorrow, the Super Bowl. The World Cup final. I got cups on cups. Who juicing? Who juicing? Yeah. Mark, leap of faith. Let's go. It took me a second. Friends up. Let's go. Dude, he's coming really soon. Did you see his announcement in Discord? Aja. Yeah. Big shout outs to you. Yeah, I know everybody's waiting for KIMBA. Yeah, it's gonna be really juicy when he comes back. There's going to be live scalping, big money trades. It is nerd out time. Knee 7. Never mind. Let's go. Yeah, it's going to be big. Probably, he's saying as early as next week, but I know you've heard that story before. We'll play it level by level, day by day. I'd like to get through FOMC unscathed before we get too excited. But yeah, it's coming. It really is. Yeah, they're doing like fine tuning on like playlists and all kinds of things. Templates. I've seen the scalping template. It's looking juicy. Yeah, that might even be available from CoinWise at some point. Yeah, go check it out. Yeah. I think Twitch even had a oh no, it didn't. Yeah, just go in the Discord. It's in the announcements. Or Kimba's Den, I can't remember. Yeah, but it's a nice message, and it'll catch you up with all the plans and whatnot. He's been in there quite consistently, just popping in, telling levels, or just vibing with the chat. Yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, nice to see him return. Yeah, shoutouts Kimba. 15 minutes till markets open. Yeah, we're going to run a little test this morning. I'm kind of scared to at this point because we already freaking broke something. It's taken so long that I'm actually afraid that something is broken. I think it's going to be okay, though. Rugged. Let's go, Ace. How are we doing down there in Texas? Did you guys get some snow? Hot dog, hot dog, hot dog, hot dog, hot dog. Juice, 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 juice. It's still on the ground? How much did you guys get? It was supposed to snow like 8 to 12 inches here. And we got, they changed it like the day before, or like a day and a half before or something. And we woke up Sunday morning to barely half an inch on the ground. And it was like already melted. And by lunchtime on Sunday, it was all gone completely. Yeah. That's what she said. Yeah, it was all gone. We were looking forward to playing it with the kids in the snow and everything, but it's such a mess to deal with. Nobody around here. We never get snow, so it's like everything shuts down. Like, dude, I had an hour delay for work yesterday, even though it like the snow was melted a day before. It's pretty funny. Yeah, but we were like one of the only places in the US. It was like 47 states had snow warnings. We were one of the only places that didn't get anything really. Even Hawaii. I'm not even bullshitting. Yeah, the map is fucked up. It's pretty funny. Let's go. Well, I guess I'll turn my playlist on. YouTube, you getting any music? I think it's coming. I think it's coming. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Pixel. For value area high, yeah. Let's go. All right, shout out to YouTube. Thanks for hanging in there.
KIMBA with real legacy. I dey vibe with my truth. I no lie to the booth. If math no day, I go mute. Edge no clean, I no shoot. We dey live with a plan. No they chase, I dey stand. You dey run, I dey scan. Profit drip from the hand. Let the juice wave. Let the masses. Let the data play. KIMBA no delay. Hit them with the G. Data. No hype, just clarity. Big data energy. Juice deep like profits. All about the D. Candle slow, but we free. We dey move with dignity. That's KIMBA divinity.
We're about to go. We're about to go. Oh wait. Oh wait. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
It's Mandalo.
Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Nerd, 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 nerd. Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Knowledge rules. Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Fibonacci, golden pockets, juice. Nerd, 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 nerd. Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Nerd, 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 nerd. Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Juice.
Let's go. It's gotta be testnet. It's gotta be testnet. Hey, thanks for sticking in there, guys. Good morning. Good morning, gang. Happy Tuesday. Get your prediction points in. That was a big catch, yeah. Hey, hey.
I know they rush and they reach slow. Like they whisper, go where it go. No, they panic when they turn to low. With the top zone like spiritual code. Just know they lie, that I no pretend. KIMBA no fear, profit expand. You go, they wonder why we no bend. We they wait edge like lion then. We don't guess, we calculate. We don't bet, we set the rate.
Let's go. Hey, shout outs to Coke Zero on 3 years. 3 years. Let's go. Thank you for the resub, Coke. Stick it in there. 3 years of juice. Shout out to YouTube sticking it in there with me. We've been vibing, kinda. Let's go Hitman Gucci, Unleash, Fit, Math, Latisse, Insistence, Chicken Milkshake, Mark, Allen, Checkster, Allface, Tigrin, Best Ed, let's go. Time Raccoon, let's go. It's been a while. How you doing? Lux Slayer, good morning. Il Pisoto. Shoutouts PSG. Shoutouts PSG. Shoutouts Buzz. Shoutouts Housty. Shoutouts Cage. Shoutouts Cyper. MGK. Tiggy. Coin Nerd. Shoutouts Kimba. Hey, shoutouts Space Trade. Shoutouts Jerome Powell. I'm so fucking excited for FOMC. I don't know about y'all, but it's gonna be juice. Juice every day. How's the music levels for y'all? I know, like cut out for a second. It was switching songs. Noise! Alright, thank you. Let's go. Hey, shoutouts calling noob. Exclamation Coinwise. Shoutouts Coinwise. New Ed dropping this morning. It's Tuesday. Explaining the markets. Hey, some of these Coinwise videos, they're like foundations. Some of like the beginner things. But they got some juice in them for even the more experienced traders. So, shoutouts Coinwise. Yeah, getting it. You know your boy's got a little something to do with that. Let's go, Fib Math. Never give up. We strong. I'm strong if you strong. Hard TA juice. Let's get it. Yep, we just had a full rotation. Now, PDEQ is holding pretty well on CME. We got market open in like 4 minutes, 5 minutes. Get your predictions in. Yeah, we got 39,000 to 100,000 points in the prediction categories. Like, hit it up. Let's go, Baru. Let's go, Zach. Shouts to y'all. Wandu. Good morning. I'm Sin. Let's go. Let's go, Buzz. Yeah. That's 2 letters, 1 word, if I am reading that correctly. 2 letters, 1 word. The meaning of life. Yeah. Let's go, Jupiter. Let's go, Aja. Let's go, Bestbert. Mark, Leap of Faith. Ace, shout outs to you. It's been a minute since we've seen this one. I missed the sweep last night. Dang it. Well, guess what? We got time. The highs on CME are better than on Perps and Spot. And on RTH CME, the highs are a lot better. Yeah, kind of like one of the scenarios that we were running through last week was lows to get hit. The way that those lows were hit, and I know Cage was talking about it on market resumption, but that was ugly as hell. Hey, but you know, we're probably going to be waiting for the meeting for anything to break one way or the other. And we got plenty of bad lows, plenty of bad highs, and we did clean a lot of lows. But that pump on Friday cleaned up one of the highs. So yeah, it's just ranging. We fell back into the range from the upper above like 92. So try to see what we're gonna do. Holding pattern until J-Pow probably. Lower volume, and lower volume they just pump the fuck out of ES. Yeah, we got monthly options coming up later this week. We got earnings coming up later this week. Dude, did I say that? Oh, dude, I don't know, man. It's just like experience, man. I don't know. it's cool to like observe those things and like kind of have an opinion about it, and then it plays out like kind of how I'm yeah, it still feels good. But everybody, it's not rocket science. It just takes time. Shout outs insistence. I know, for real, dude. Yeah, we got earnings this week. Yeah, today's not really that big, but dude, we got FOMC tomorrow. We got Tesla, Microsoft, and Meta earnings tomorrow. So it's like freaking quadruple whammy. Let's meet Juice. Let's go No Diabito. Let's go Insistence. How we doing? I know Insistence is juicing. You know, I need to learn your secrets, dude. Daily open. Yeah, ES, they ran it up hard off of open. Bump it up. 100% gold right now. Let's go. Yeah, especially into FOMC. I'm sure you'll shave a little bit right before the thing drops. Oh shit! Ding 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 ding. Almost. My clock is saying different than TradingView. It's coming. Hey, shouts Coinwise. They had a indicator module video come out yesterday. They got a education video dropping in right now. And market open. Exclamation Coinwise, juicy education, indicators, journal, and more. Shouts Coinwise. Team working hard over there. Years of waiting. It's been 35. It's been 80 years. Let's go. Let's go. What'd you get? What'd you get? Man, I got a new truck last year and frickin' have put like 2,000 miles on it. Oh, I like those. Yeah, I like the Toyos too. I've ran Toyos for a long time. Yeah, those are sick. Those are sick tires. But I got a truck last year and it's like got brand new tires on it. It's smooth as hell and they're nice. I'm like, man, I always have had like lifted trucks and shit, and this is like a normal, just like regular, just cowboy Cadillac. And it's like, man, I want to get some tires on it. Nice. But it's like, dude, it rides so smooth right now. Nice, dude. Nice. Yeah, pretty much the extent of the work I've done on it is like, I got like the package that has like all the steps and shit, like the off-road things from factory, which is not like great. I'm like used to be big into customizing cars and shit, but like I drive 2,000 miles a year, like I fucking don't go anywhere. Yeah. I know, dude. I got like this one project car that's just like sitting. I don't drive really ever. Yeah, it needs a little work. I'm gonna rebuild it. Like build it for real. Oh man, that's like a dream, dude. That's huge. To brag and show off, yeah, exactly. Like, what's it really doing for you? Unless you're like turning wrenches and enjoying that, like with all your free time. I don't know where that's too beneficial. Even if it's like 2,000 square feet though, like you can get a lot of the things that you wanted to do. 41K, damn, happy 420. Kilometers or miles? Let's go, Curvies. Good morning. RTH. RTH. Gap up this time. We got a gap above. And like I was saying, like the high on RTH is a lot better than it is on perps and spot. That doesn't mean much though. Yeah, and that's a natural place for it to be resistance. I don't need order blocks. I mean, it probably is going to show the same thing, but that's going to be resistance. That's going to be resistance. Even before we close the gap, and it has proven to be so. Yeah, I got the sweep. Even though that was a pretty good low, it's like mostly taking out these lows, but didn't quite take them all. I thought that was pretty interesting. And then the really interesting thing was that it went deeper on CME on Sunday than it did on perps and spot, just grabbing the whole single print. So Sunday, Monday open, whatever. They're grabbing the whole single print from down below. Got all of these lows. Pretty juicy. The next set of lows, I mean, like that's kind of like your last hope for a bounce without, you know, 82 on the table. So I mean, it is logical. It's logical where we bounced. Are they already going to close the gap? They're going for it. 15 minutes. See a little bit more. Yeah, we're just going to play this range until it breaks. Yeah, really, really interesting on perps and spot. That's this old box from forever ago. That same goddamn box. Delete the box, Mandalo. You remember it? 888, 861. I mean, come on now. Yeah, that was nice, like seeing it before everything just clicked in. That's pretty damn clean. Let's go, maybe Band-Aid. Good morning. Thank you for the gift subs. Hey, if you guys were just blessed by a gift sub, thank your man, maybe Band-Aid. Fucking idol. Bambiho. A-man. So fun and Spud. Juicing. Hey, maybe Band-Aid's juicing. Spreading the love. Big thank you. Shout outs to maybe Band-Aid. Hey, love you, brother. Yeah, I feel you, Insistence. Yeah, that's kind of what I did. It's hard for me to get rid of cars, though. It's just like I build more driveways or something. I really should have kept my old truck and just gotten like something different, but just like I just kind of wanted this. And I was juicing last year. Like to some degree. I fucking cars are not the priority really. Let's go. Let's go, Insistence. Maybe Band-Aid's busting in the door. Shout outs, maybe Band-Aid. Shout outs, Buzz. Shout outs, Dogman. Let's go, Name God. How you doing, brother? Buzz Cree. Hey, shout outs to PSG. Good well, it's gonna be a short stream for me today because we got a late start. Oh, I still gotta go at the pretty much normal time. I'm still working on some things, but hopefully here soon I'll be able to go for longer with y'all. Let's go, Jay Becker. Let's go, Kagam. Yeah, I'm working on it, Wandu. I know you were asking about it. X Sky came falling. Let's go. Indolion, good afternoon, good morning, good evening. How we doing? Let's go, Indolion. Oh, Cachoya, daily open again. Yeah, levels being more important. These high time frame levels are actually showing a little bit more importance than daily. Turn some of that off. Maybe you can see it better. Yeah, sitting around point of control. Now this is daily value area low on TPO and volume. Maybe clean this bad low. That's a bad low right here as well. That was kind of a sweep. I think it didn't sweep everywhere. And then this is just abysmal. We don't want to go back down there if we want to, push towards the 90, 91K zone. But we got a lot of action down here. Structure is holding higher high. However, that is with a div. Yeah, a lot of those bottom shorts closed out. Looks like probably most of the ones that were from the bottom closed out on here. Yeah, look at over it. Order flow. You need to chill, you need to breathe. If you want the win, gotta risk, gotta breathe. Paper stack up, not a whole gang breathe. FOMC, power, all lines on the screen. Rate cut dreams, got a juice with the team. Tear riffs on the tape, I just let it all swing. They're hidden right here. Level to the level, I'm just watching them fiend. Risk on the rise, but the chat stay clean. A lot of the shorts closed out. This is KIMBA gang run, don't forget, just breathe. Yeah, not really any top longs. Good. Good. No edge. Levels to level, it's more than a dream. Yeah, definitely hidden. KIMBA gang all in, let the whole squad breathe. Crazy. Come on. Maybe a little heat map for you real quick. I actually still had Trading Light, but it's on another device, and this is just faster. Oh, I like this song. Yeah, I'm not really expecting too much edge. Sorry for the flashbang. Yeah, around 7K. Around 7K. 69.90 is a big gamma. Yeah, so it might pull price up through the day. You can imagine that was somewhat of the movement that we experienced over the past day and a half. And 7K is such a big number, and we still haven't broken it on index. The plan is the plan and the math is the math. CME just closed the gap on RTH. And we got dip the tip on ES. Yeah, let's see what index looks like. That's all-time highs on index, and it's right below 7K. I think it's gonna get cleaned. If it doesn't clean today, I think that even if you just like threw me off there for a second. I'm thinking that JPOW, it's either gonna break out or clean it tomorrow if it doesn't do it today. Yeah, you think we're gonna get a surprise rate cut? Insistence. Love you, buddy. Bro, brother. Let's get over. Let's see gold. Let's see gold. Yeah, and then Wandu, I'll check out that previous day point of control. I mean, it is kind of in that range right now. I love gold. Yeah, I mean, dude, this is breaking the 5K level. We were talking about it, like it was just a matter of time. Is silver at 100 yet? Yeah, that is terrible right there. Yeah, maybe gap fill. That gap, I mean, that's a nice gap fill. You got more structure there. That's pretty bullish. Settlement. Maybe it wicks and reclaims. Like 49.80, ways to close the gap. But we've been leaving some gaps. Look at all this single prints. Holy shit. Yeah, nice. Fucking daily chart. Jesus. This is gold. This is the safe asset. Quote unquote. Unreal. Yeah, did it break 100? It like fucking murdered it. Holy shit, yeah, once it broke that little consolidation at 80. Juice. Juice, yeah, that's where we were last week. That's a good high. That's a good high. Yeah, not a surprise there. Holding the 50 at the gap. Juicy. Now 100 is going to get flipped to support. Crazy. Yeah, since we got earnings late tomorrow, and probably won't have a chance to go through them during FOMC, we're gonna be busy juicing. Good Tesla. Not looking like the Gucciest structure. It kind of looks like Bitcoin. Yeah, we've done like, I think it was last week that we did that. We haven't looked at Meta in a while. Yeah, the structure looks a little better down here, breaking structure. Did it get a higher close? It did not. It was pretty close to it though for this little bump. On the weekly. No. And Microsoft. Being the largest cap of any of the three big ones for tomorrow. Not looking that Gucci right here, but that's a nice candle. Cleaned the gaps. Weekly gap, but cleared those. That high is not good. It's funny. They tried. They tried. Yeah, leaving gas behind. Yeah, that's all bad through here. Gotta get above that though. 500 psychological level. It will be interesting. Yes. Up at the high with the fib in reverse, juicing this candle till market close. Limit in, we don't chase risk to reward. That's KIMBA's base. Hyenas laughing out of place. We trend right with that steady pace. Trade journal look like a screenplay. Profit dripping. Decorrelating. TP hit, then I vanish quick. I've been making easy money. Bugatti money, flipping birds. Chart flipping daily, watch me snipe. It's absurd. Decorrelating. I mean, at least it closed the gap. Let's go, maybe Band-Aid. Dude, that was juicy. Yeah, was that an extension on you? 109, 110. I know Hitman Gucci's been playing silver also. You shave a little bit off?
If it ain't math, then it ain't my thing. Wrist mapped out, I don't lose no green. I just plot, then let the candles lean. Structure break is the big reveal.
Yeah, keep holding the low for now.
Cash and trades, yeah, that's our meal. One fib hit and we sign.
Dude, silver is moving like an altcoin. Sold my teeth. I sold my generational silverware. Yeah, let's go, maybe Band-Aid. They've been holding it down. Spot Colin, almost exclusively. Yeah, there is a couple of like little tricks to it though that like you'll figure out over time. I picked this one up from KIMBA actually, but a lot of the lands look at Bybit BTC USD pair as kind of a reference point for a little bit more sophisticated positioning. So that's a coin margin pair. And so aside from spot, aside from maybe RTH and just regular CME, that BTC USD is better than 50% probability. Let's go, Houston. Quick slaps in and out. Let's go to Mangucci. He's day trading it. That's juice. It's juicy. Yeah, TradFi. I mean, we're gonna see it with KIMBA. Really nice. Shout out to BTCC. All right, so you think I can do it without breaking it? Y'all might have seen an announcement for it. Did we have an announcement for the FOMC stream yet? Yeah, join bingo, no exclamation point. There we go. Exclamation join bingo. Or no, it's just join bingo. I see Curvy's in here. I'm gonna try not to break anything. This is a test run. Want to make sure it goes smooth for tomorrow. Let's go, Mark. Operator. I don't think that it only works in Twitch, YouTube gang. At least for now. Shaz Cage. Developing this one. It helps to be a reference for offside activity, yes. Yeah, the retails, but you got to kind of keep an eye on a lot of them and just like kind of scan more for offsides than for like your CVD divergences. You're just looking for like some maybe you get occasionally a handful of players that just get real offsides, but sometimes it's just some like ding dong gets his fucking fat finger and goes like 100 mil short at the bottom or something, or 30 mil long at the top, you know, on like a pixel wick. And that's nice to see, especially in retail. But when you see that in, I don't know. I like to scan them all. If I see something that's like clearly offsides and pretty large, then it's at least confluence for maybe looking at a fade. It's just join bingo, Buzz. Yeah, we got Mark in here. No Diabito, Housty, Dogman, Operator, Curvies. Yeah, get your thang. Yeah, I won't show your card. I'm gonna display it in just a second. I had to start the game to display it. Oh, shoutouts Coinwise. Yeah, I'll hide that until we get started. Yeah, you look at the footprint for the for like the specific like individual ones. It is complicated, but you see like a lot of shorts going up from the bottom. Here, I'll just do like a really like short example, quick example. Join bingo. Let's go intoxication. Buzzcree is just join bingo. Wandu is just join bingo. Yeah. Let me mark that on the calendar, Colin. Shout out to Colin. How you doing? Oh, whoops. Where is it? Where'd you go? I think I minimized it and like made it disappear. Patience rich, that's compounding cash. From the CPI flow to the rate cut ceiling, we move with the truth, that's the KIMBA feeling. Atlanta trap bounce with the candle healing. No stress trade, that's generational dealing. Today, CPI, we patient. Fake move, debate move, we weighing. KIMBA gang juice, we don't chase it. Nah, level by level, we place it. Yeah. CPI day, that's KIMBA time. Math in the blood, that's by design. Health and the wealth, that's all combined. Stop loss tight, we gon' always shine. CPI drop, let the lines eat slow. First candle wild, then we ride that flow. Rate cut dreams, but the plan still go. KIMBA game forever, that's how the juice. All right, so like through here, you see that? We see shorts coming into the lows. Shorts are going up, prices going down. So that's like it's convergence. It's going the same direction. We got CVD going down, price going down. When we hit that very bottom, nearly the bottom low, there's a $15 million short came in. Or 15 million worth of shorts, like right at the pixel bottom. And then it kept going, like this dude's like, oh, I'm fucking juicing. The second it freaking starts moving up, he's underwater. He's underwater. And what's interesting is right around where he shorted, that became support over here. You don't need like candle structure or anything. These are volume candles. It's $10 million candles. Sometimes I'll do 20. It hasn't been necessary lately. Yeah, big longs coming into the bottom. So like, let's say that we were dumping and you see that long come in and it's just like one person, or you see like lots of longs. Sometimes it'll show absorption, especially as it's like kind of rounding out, and like that's helpful right here. That helped this dude out. If price kept going down, he was underwater down here. And so that's like where you're looking for where is a logical place for his invalidation. That you might see that close out. He gets wrecked on it. But it's not like, it's just a piece of the puzzle. Sato, Alan. Sato, I don't think is on the bingo card. Shoutouts, Buzzcree. Hey, join bingo. Oh no, it's just join bingo. Yeah, I want to run this. Let's give it a couple more minutes for people to get in. We only have like 9 players. Yeah, we're about to do this. Yeah, but there's no edge right here. We have shorts closing and prices going down. See that? And you zoom out a whole lot. We got a lot of shorts still. But where the shorts kind of peaked, we kind of have already closed them. Yeah, right around through here where it started going up again. Otherwise, most of these shorts are from higher. A lot of these longs are still in from up here. Yeah, some of them closed on the bottom side of that dump on Friday. And then you usually see positioning kind of dwindle through the weekend, just kind of de-risking a little bit. But on Saturday, we had a lot of shorts come in, pushing the price down. Yeah, sometimes you see a lot of longs come in over the weekend, just like gradually building positions.
KIMBA gang strong, we ride all night, chasing dreams to the morning light.
Where's my bingo game? Can I see that? Can you read it now? Yeah, we haven't started the game yet. Yeah, right now Curviz, Mandalo, and Operator Flasky are in the lead, just pretty much because we were the first ones to input join bingo. Yeah, we're just running a test on it, Curviz. Yeah, it's gonna be based on what Powell says. Yeah, so we sort of did like a super basic version of it last FOMC, and Cage made this Gucci little bingo card. Everybody gets different cards. It's scrambled order. It's gonna be fun, dude. Yeah, and there should be some sort of prize attached to it. I think we're figuring out what that's gonna be later today. Yeah, but it'll be a lot of fun. So, you know, in the presser, we had a lot of fun last time. We're like debating if like the version of what Jay Powell said was like appropriate for checking off the bingo boxes and whatnot. Like, so you pay attention to it a little bit more, we vibe out, have a good time. Normally the pressers are pretty fucking boring. I mean, you can't even front. It is important data, but it's not like watching Who Juicin', exclamation Who Juicin', shouts Who Juicin'. There's gonna be a Who Juicin' premiere right before we roll into FOMC. Let's fucking go. CPI, PPI week. Yeah, that was last week, right? All my weeks are blended together. Hughes, do you clip that? You might be able to do it. I don't think that exclamation was very good. Let's go Cowboy Crypto. Let's go Flawless Felix. Dennis, let's go. It's just join bingo. It's just join bingo. No exclamation. Yeah, we got some people rolling in. Cowboy Crypto, let's go. Hell Swat Doobie, Dan Green, Dennis, Rahman, PUBG. Let's go. Yeah, I'll give it a couple more minutes. For real, maybe? Holy shit, dude. You usually have your finger on the pulse. I know you got a lot going on, though. Did you go to Texas yet? Or that's still incoming. Did y'all get any snow down there? Yeah, they had like snowpocalypse in the US this week. You think next month? You're going to Texas next month. That's cool. That'll be a nice getaway. Yeah, it'll be back in there. Might be able to clip it somehow. Ice and Sleet over in Austin? Dude, Insistence, do you know? Wait, Ace doesn't live in Austin. Did you ever meet up with KIMBA when he was living there? Holy shit, dude. You need to meet up with Houston. I know it's kind of far, but like, dude. Oh, you are in Austin. Let's go, Ace. Oh my God. Two fucking legends. Nah, man. You were blessed in Tejas. Let's go. Oh, Houston does like you. Houston does like you. There's some weird truck pulling up outside. I-19, let's go. Let's go, Curvies. Damn God. Join bingo. Let's go, I-19. Thank you for the resub. Oh, you're almost there. What is it's the Warrior next, I think. The Viking. Hey, Coke Zero. He got his ninja today. I'm getting my Batman tomorrow, I think. Dude, Batman, FOMC, earnings, bingo. I'm trying to give this bingo a little bit more time. Well, like, I want to really have some people in here. Let's go, JV. Hey, you want to give it a test run? Join bingo. It's just joinbingo.com. No, not. That's it. That's it. There is some stuff on there. Close the fucking door is on the tomorrow's bingo. If you ever missed that, dude, he actually said that in a presser. Yeah, some like hippies or something tried to break into the meeting, like doing their fucking protest or something, and he just like straight up said it live TV. It was awesome. It will never happen again. It'll never happen again. You might. No, it was close the fucking door. He said just close the fucking door. Houston, dude, you were here. It was fucking awesome. Yeah, Kimbo's streaming. Yeah. Overlooking one of the nicest views in Austin, yeah. He did have a good view. Yeah, and then he's gonna have the best view in Dubai. He's gonna be living on the world. You think he's gonna live in Burj? I don't think so. I'd be living in a fucking mansion on like Palm or something. Yeah, I've seen somebody has like the real Batmobile on one of the Palms. How do you decide if you want to see failed auction or 3 drives? Yeah. I mean, when you had the divergence and the order flow still hasn't closed out, and you still have spot selling, he wants to see a like basically a triple div. Yeah, and we didn't have a real strong sweep. Plus, it happened like the lows happened in ETH. You really want it to happen in RTH for it to have a lot more edge. RTH didn't really take much. It cleaned this low, but that was local. It still is holding these ones, which got cleaned up on ETH. I mean, that doesn't mean that it has to get cleaned though. It's just the structure, man. Like your higher time frame structure. Like I'll just go to the hourly. And just like, I'm gonna fucking open another chart. Yeah. This one's clean. Oh no, this one's cleaner. One of the problems that we have here, so that was cool and all. That's more concerning. And then even worse was like, this is daily. Like, oh shit, we fucking got the sweep, we got the sweep. No, you didn't. Oh, I'm gonna hold it, I'm gonna hold it. It's gonna rebound, I'll just add to it, add to it. Fuck, dude, I can like get out of this thing a little bit, hopefully. Okay, so there's that. We did make higher highs. That was like kind of a 3 drive that came back down. And on the daily, that's swing fail. Even with the bad high that was there. That got cleaned. Little pullback and hold the structure that we had through here. Really nicely. Really nicely. But the problem is that we're turning this structure through here into resistance. We actually did turn it into resistance. So that's kind of like the thesis for a 3rd drive, and it's turning this set of lows into resistance now. So it's just like we had higher highs and higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, but then we made this lower low below all of this. You know, we got to make a higher high. Otherwise, we're looking for another lower low. So it's a little bit of structure going through it. Yeah, pattern recognition, Houston. Join bingo, no exclamation. Yeah, Banana Man, Nitrogen, JV, Rancho, Ace. Calling noob, let's go. Yeah, I'd like to have it for a little bit longer. Can we look at hype? Yeah. Weak lows, yeah, they're weak. Weak, weak, weak. Weak through here. So that, and that, and that. You know, that's good for this part of the move, but you come back farther. Oh wait, this did clean. No, it didn't. Yeah, but that's plenty of room, and that was pretty clean right there. But yeah, I was thinking about like on lower time frame. Yeah, this low holding, really interesting. We all saw that, like the 83, and then that one. It was nice that these got cleaned up, and that was a good low, but it was just so close to this. Yeah, that was a nice clean though. Swing fail on the daily. It just didn't happen in RTH. Right, let's get over to this thing. Buying it back. Oh my gosh, that's a Kachoya. Initial balance is going to be a doji. It's starting to look like a lot better candle. Go to our alts, but really the alts, it's all dependent on Bitcoin. Warm greetings, Biffum. How are we doing, brother? Hope everything's well. Hey, big cheers. Biffum was the mug dealer. Hey, shout out to Biffum. What are you in? You in some tangs? I know you're juicing. Look at that longs and shorts. Yeah, I'm working on it. I like started to play with a little bit updated layout, and then I didn't. I was like working on 4 other things. All right, let's get this join bingo. Hey, Biffum, join bingo. Insistence, are you in this thing? He is. He was the mug dealer though. It had us thinking. What song am I on? Let's let us in my juice. I think this is the playlist that we had going on the other day. Let's go back to like. I do like this song, but. Testnet. Okay. Here it is. It's not gonna show, but the top 3 players. Hey, last call. We got 1 minute. 1 minute for this. Okay, so at 15:15, I was like, at 15:15 on TradingView, I'm closing the bingo cards. Yeah, Bethlehem, join bingo. Let's go, El Boris. Unleash. Yeah, we're just doing a test run for tomorrow. Yeah, it's testnet, paper trading. Yeah, take a screenshot. Take a screenshot so you kind of see like what the words are on there. I'm gonna go through like some alts and some other stuff and just kind of do like the whole TA thing. Let's go, Escalade. Shout out Stream Elements. Shout out to Endolion. Hi, Jean. Bespert. Let's go. Hey, hurry up. Hurry up. We got 30 seconds. Let's go, Biffum. Let's go, Buzz. We got the entries pouring in now. Yo, let's go. Let's go, Alan. Unleash. Buzz is in here. Yeah, we got 28 players now. Let's go. Yeah, I just like somehow I'll close the fucking door is still on here. I thought I changed it. I like wrote a bunch. Got a bunch of them off of there. Yeah, you guys are gonna bait me into some of these things. It's without the exclamation. Yeah, it even threw me off at first. Let's go, Namgod. Nitrogen, you're already in here, I think. Let's go, Insistence. Let's go, iBanshees. I'm doing great, man. I hope you're doing well too, Biffum. Big shout outs. Hope you got the that thing all squared away in Gucci. Yeah, I know you're trying to straighten that out for a minute. Let's go, Mark. Let's go, Burgix. Shoutouts, PSG. Let's go. Yeah, Insistence, iBanshees. Burgix in here now. Yeah, this is just for testnet. It's just for fun. We're gonna see if we can break it, so I can hopefully have some help fixing it for tomorrow. No, we're not gonna break it. It should be able to handle as many people as want to play. Let's go, Ludo. Let's go, Igo. All right, yeah, I already like I've overshot the window like a motherfucker. All right, I'm locking it. Okay, type it quick. I'm locking it. Yeah, we're gonna run out of stream before we even get to like play it. All right, let's go. How this is gonna work is when I say close the fucking door. How about that? Take a screenshot. Oh, well, you're already in there, Insistence. You're good. And as the cards, so I'll flash this periodically, but as the cards start to fill up, the leaderboard is going to shuffle. And so you'll see your card at the top if you're in the top 3. I'll just flash it on and off, especially if we get a leader change. But it's not going to show the whole time because like you can't even read the thing. I guess I could make it small. It's really hard to read though. Can you guys read that? Plus we're trying to do some TA and stuff. Yeah, this is just for fun. We'll have it big for the meeting. Like we don't need to see JPOW that big. Or we'll have, I don't know. I'll figure it out. I'm going to run some tests. Let's go, bingo. What's up, Tenik? How you doing? I gotta remember what my things are. Okay. Yeah, I said a lot of these things already. Some of the statements I saved for the bingo. How do you see yours? You don't see it. It's not so bad full screen. Yeah, but you can't see the price action, dudes. That covers things up. Oh, you mean it's not so bad when you have your computer in full screen? Or your Twitch window? Yeah, I'm doing well. Thanks, Tenik. You were? Let's go, Gucci Romo. Yeah, some people get really into it. I thought it was pretty crazy seeing like people playing bingo in Vegas. I'm just kidding. Bingo champion. You must have been good. Did you have like a lot of cards? You were like multiple cardsing it up? No. What is it? What is it that they do in Vegas? It's like bingo. I forget. It's been a minute. Oh, he's baiting me. Let's go, Colin. Yes. So depending on what we're looking at, if it's consolidating, I'm looking for range plays. And so the daily trades, like the daily levels, are going to be more important. I got to try to remember my terms. So when we're looking for like a sweep, Kino, there we go. Shout out to Ace. I forgot about that one. When we're looking for a sweep, if it's range play, you may be looking at some of these like internal structure. Bad levels. Yeah, did that sweep? That's your low. Did not. Pixel. So it's weak still. Even though it's in today, it cleaned this, it didn't clean that. This right here was a swing failure pattern. And put in this session, a TPO good high. Once it lost structure, that was more edge for potentially a bearish retest. And really, the first place you would look for a bearish retest would be up here, but it lost VWAP almost immediately, and so that became resistance instead of even being able to make it higher. Yeah, so that was even more bearish. So that's another reason that I might be looking for the lows now that we're in RTH. Really, it just bearish retested this. Now that's a bad high, but staying under VWAP, losing value, losing previous day points of control, all of these things are all of these are reasons that I might be having a little bit more of a bearish bias in this session. But, you know, I'm just a dude that rides the short bus. So, what do I know? I'm talking about all these levels. The bingo card is fucking hiding everything. Yeah, I was talking about this high. Losing VWAP. My bad. Bears CVD deals, yeah. Yeah, now we got shorts coming in. We got a long, kind of a lot of longs that came in on that high right there, right on the market open. And they just keep doing it. Like, dude, they bait people on market open so frequently. It's either a bait dump or a bait pump. Dude, I'm self-deprecating. You know it's all in good fun. It's not anything with self-esteem. I'm just being silly. And I said short bus because it was one of the bingo card terms. Let me see the oh, Curvies. Everybody is still like kind of hanging in there. It's the same same leaders. Same leaders. For now. Hey, while we're waiting, exclamation space trade. BLOFIN trading competition. Check out the pin. BLOFIN trading competition is going on strong. Exclamation dashboard to get up in there and get your UIDs updated for BLOFIN. I know we got some giveaways coming up. Hopefully tomorrow. I think it's BTCC giveaways. I'm sure there's going to be some BTCC trading going on. Oh, we just hit a bunch of them. Going on when KIMBA has his live scalping. Yeah, maybe Band-Aid. I fully understand that. I'm just being silly. I do not feel like that. It is dangerous to feel like you're the smartest person in the room, though, and I know that we have a lot of very, very smart people here. Hey, much love, maybe Band-Aid. But I can also realize and identify that, yeah, that Gucci. I know, I'm locked in here. Yeah. Oh, dude, I can too. I can too, but like, honestly, that was a short bus moment. I fucking was covering up the whole chart and talking TA. I was like waiting for me to do something stupid like that. I always have like, you know, like little slip ups. And mostly for us like average intelligence people, it's not from being dumb. It's from just like trying to do too much at the same time. Yeah, or distractions. Seen a bird. Hopefully it wasn't the same bird. Gucci Romo. How to play? We're just playing. We joined it already. It's locked. Yeah, we're just kind of running through it. It's a practice run. Are you gonna be here tomorrow, Kagam? Yeah, you just type in join bingo. It's locked now though. Because it'll just like whenever, if it's not locked, people can be playing the whole time and hanging out vibing, like getting psyched on their position, and then like somebody could join at the end and like have a full card. Yeah, so it's got to get like that. Yeah, it's dangerous thinking that you're the smartest person because there's always going to be somebody smarter. I know some people with like 200 IQs and they're fucking idiots. Yeah, but it's always worth trying to be better. So be humble. Be humble and you'll always be improving. You're only thinking ones and twos, yeah. I like doodles. I do too, no Dubito. That's a generational thing. We've been going over that forever. Y'all remember when baby Mandalo came in, turtle style? Oh. Did I hit one? I thought that she was on there. Where is it? Dude, I didn't lock it. Oh, Kajoya. Hey, big cheers, maybe Band-Aid. Look at Curvies. He wins the game shows. He's winning bingo. How you do that? I want to be like, hey, Cyper has 2 Gucci Romo. Shout out to the game show once again. Hey, preparation meets opportunity, right? The ones that live like 80, yeah. Yeah, he has 2 of them. He brings them inside for the winter. It's like not that hot. Yeah, Cyper, dude. He's got like Gucci collars for him and everything. I don't know, but they're cool. They're cool as shit. Is it gonna get it? It's like Pixel. Ah, that one needs to be on there. That one needs to be on there. Let me make this card smaller. Yeah, who cares about S&P? I guess that's like, that actually kind of works. All right, initial balance just closed out. Oh, I need to pay out predictions. Oh. It's going to be fun for JPal, dude, because I'm not going to be talking. I have to keep track of it. We're all going to be like, oh, we got that one. Yeah, and it's so random that we don't know who's going to win. It's going to be fun. I can't wait. Yeah, we're going to have a vibe session. Shout out to Buzz and Houston coming on for the Who Juicing premiere. Hey, shout outs to the talent show, exclamation talent show. Coming up later. I don't have Who Juicing on here? Son of a bitch. Dudes, look at my card. It's rigged. It's rigged. How is Curvy still on number 1? Because you have 2 combinations, maybe? And an operator actually has a couple combinations that could win it like pretty quickly. Hey, shout outs to KCEX and the deposit bonus. Exclamation KCEX. Check out the Discord for all of our juicy thangs. Make sure that you're on the dashboard, exclamation dashboard, for all the Gucci tools, exchanges, and stream schedule. And the schedule this week is looking packed. Holy shit, Bugatti! We got bingos! Chris Bugatti. Alright, who else? So Operator and Curvies got it. Who else got it? I can't even see it. Burgix, Rancho, Banana. Let's go. Juice. Juice. Unleash. Hi, Banshees. Yeah, I'm not going to keep clicking them. We'll make sure that we lock in. You didn't get one, Curvies? You got bumped. Cachoya. Nah, once we get a bingo, I'll make sure that we lock in who the winners are instead of keep clicking it. Shoutouts to CoinWise, shoutouts to Cage, shoutouts to Liquania, shoutouts to the Lions, shoutouts to the motherfucking Gap, shoutouts to JPow. We got FOMC, it's gonna be testnet. Is it gonna dump? Is it gonna pump? Are we gonna short it? Are we gonna long it? Dip the tip? We're gonna grab them single prints to the upside. It all based on the data. Let's go. Hey, so you kind of see like what the possibilities are with it. I think it's gonna be fun. What do you guys think? Everybody just won. You got a bingo. You got a bingo. I'm looking forward to it. I think it's gonna be fun. Thanks for playing along, guys. I know we like set it up for quite some time. Yeah, but it's gonna be a whole lot less out of our hands, out of my hands specifically, because I'm like sitting here looking at the terms and I can control what is said. That's not like really, not really a fair gaming chance. It is all random who wins because the cards are randomly generated, but yeah, it's just gonna give it a little bit more excitement tomorrow. I think it's gonna be fun. And it's way less ghetto than the way that I did it last time. Yeah, shout out to Cage. Calling the ATF, yeah. No, it's the Nevada Gaming Commission. Okay. No, we can't. No, it's all automated, Buzzcree. It's all automated for every single user. You have different cards, and it is, I think there are different ones, and it's all automated. It's randomly generated. Yeah, it's all automated. And so just like the top three, as it's coming through, will be shown on the bingo screen, like next to the board. Yeah, shout out to Cage for figuring that thing out. Yeah, when you're ranging, you're looking to fade the extremes until the range is convincingly broken with volume. You're gonna have a much better edge on a breakout waiting for a retest, and you kind of have like levels that serve as your invalidation rather than just like marketing. So like it's better in biddy, but I mean, I guess you could do it for S&P because it's like breaking and breaking and breaking. And just like this is such a far breakout that there's like nowhere else you can go with it. Yeah, let's go over to Biddy. Somebody want to see hype. I'll like pull some alts, but it's all dependent on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is not looking like super great. We just had this like triangle forming. I thought I had this one in white also. I need to change that. Yeah, it's not as nice in line chart. It looks pretty good. It's kind of like that's a little bit better fit. You can make the line fit your bias. Yeah, and we still got it on the downside too. It's just not, you know, you only got 2 touches. Maybe like this. It's so flat though, and that's not like really any kind of liquidity below that. Like this is just a bad low. Oh, popping off on us. Yeah, so this was the one that I was using. So like, just imagine that this is our range over here. It just is so damn clean. So we had our like kind of mini range for like this. And then it constricted a little bit to like that. You know, you could use the candle close, you could use that. I like it for the close on this particular range, even though we have wicks through it, because you got, it just is a doji right there. And yeah, I don't know. It just like fits it a little bit better with the retest. But you could do either. You could do either, because that was resistance for all of that. You just have like more like convincing touches along it. In any case, in hindsight, we can draw the box however we want to. And that prior resistance through here, we kind of flip things around. Right here, we approached the top of the box and broke out from it. Even if it closed back inside, it made a higher high, and it was a higher close than all the previous structure with more volume. Then we got to close outside the range, even if it didn't like truly close outside. It is still a higher high. Volume not that great, but then this one, good volume. Okay, and you could apply this down to like lower time frames. The pullback, so we got a higher high with higher volume than the entire rest of the range. Volume is like your number one like confluent indicator with price action. You're looking for a pullback anywhere, and a reasonable place to look for a pullback is your prior resistance. So SR flip. I'll go to right where we had the breakout. Look at that. So you could do the SR flip. You could do value area high. Maybe you ladder between the two. And this is not financial advice. This is just theory. But that's pixel. What's your invalidation through here? Some people might wait for all of this, but that looks like acceptance back in the range, especially if you get closes back down in here. And that's by back in the range, I mean this range, this consolidation. And sure enough, once we fell back in here, that's exactly what we got. We got acceptance back in this range, and it's having a lot of difficulty breaking from it now. Look at that. Swept that bad low, pixel retest, we just need to make a higher high. So it's back to the old range we go. Now as far as the volume aspect of the breakout on this side, it pulled back, kept retesting, gave us plenty of chances, and then made a higher high. It went with what the structure was telling us, what the volume was telling us, and it came through here on volume. So volume increased as we were making these levels. Daily close above, at least you're good for another push higher, and perhaps testing that high right there and actually close the imbalance, that fair value gap right there. So I know that you can feel a lot smarter when you're looking back in historical price action than you can read it in real time, but just apply the same principles to the other side where you set it back inside. If it were to break from this, or really, that's what I would be more worried about. But this is like our couple weeks long trading range. Breaking below this, and even on like the weekly chart, 85, 80, like 86 to 85 is a majorly important level. You know, you're looking for lower. If we get a close below this, I'm looking for like definitely like that 83 clean.
10,000 hours and no sleep, no breaks.
Is that making sense?
Man, I raised the stakes.
Shout out to Nuno Diabito.
Laughed, I stayed. Now I'm reaping the rewards of every move I made. KIMBA gang with me, we rise as a team. Focused on the vision, now we live the dream. Built from the ground, now I'm way past
Yeah,
the start.
and so like during the range price action, I'm definitely looking for just sweeps, especially if it's bad or weak. If you get a close above, you want like confirmation from another candle, and this is like daily charts, so like, you know, take it with a grain of salt, but yeah, I don't even know if I have any indicators on here.
Late nights, early mornings, eyes on the goal. Every single trade was a test for the soul.
I could turn sessions on, but I gotta like configure it or something. Is that one gonna work? I just don't want to like it.
All I do is win, never fall, stay strong. KIMBA game beside me, we've been grinding all along. I'm strong if you're strong.
It's just all the fucking essential ones on this.
10,000 hours deep, we're taking over the land. I'm strong if you're strong. I'm strong if you're strong. I'm strong if you're strong.
So we have like a mini range right here.
I'm strong if you're strong. Together we stand. 10,000 hours deep. We're taking over the land. I'm strong if you're strong. I'm strong if you're
Get the other big one gone. I'm strong if you strong. That had a low time frame range. You know, that was like several hours of price action, however long that was. There's your low, and it held it with a sweep. Break from this, made a higher high right here on the daily open candle. Retest, and I'm assuming that that was point of control. It was naked point of control from previous day. I didn't mean to do that. Where was my candles? I don't fucking know. Yeah, even if you like call it, and that's your first candle, the first buyback candle. So for a little bit more edge, I'm looking at like a low time frame profile through here. That's point of control.
Yeah, I like the way we move, making profits multiply, risk low, gains high, no room for risky vibes. You got me in the zone. Fibonacci balance life, or more. TP stacking me some more. Now so I ride the wave.
So you got all these support levels, made a higher high, retest, point of control, probably golden pocket, pixel.
Keep us all alive. Every day we trading for the throne. Who's got me learning right?
And then close outside the range once again. It held it. Even with a red candle, it still is like a doji. It's indecision with a higher high. Once, and I mean, that was with volume, but once you have volume on the next one, I mean, a lot of people just were blanket looking for positions on the pullback once we made the higher high, with your invalidation either here or just a lower low. Holding that single print, really interesting. But it changed structure. So you can't even think about this single print until later. On the other side, you know, yesterday's daily range. I mean, that's weak. A lot of people were waiting for a clean of that. Some people were just fading the extremes. Or on the reclaim, and it's a small range, but if it's a little bit larger. So like some of these daily ranges are so tight, especially like on these volatility weeks, that it's very, it's reduced liquidity moving into the event. Yeah, like once it closes back inside value, you're looking for a move to the other side. Yeah, and points of control are often you're gonna have a little bit of slowdown around these areas. Just high participation, high levels of interest. And we don't even have VWAP on here, but that would be another thing to look at. Now, we had a daily open outside previous day value. Retest on previous day value, come outside, make a higher high. You're thinking that it's expansion, and it did enough to clean this. However, you know, it's an ETH and just like fell back inside. Like it's hard to say anything other than 88.8 has been a super important level, and it like kind of got absorbed up here. Did it sweep it? I think it did. Yeah. So sweep, close back inside that range, and by then that was value area high. I don't want to do like replay. I want to see where it calculates value. Yeah, we're just nerding out. Come on now. Yeah, TPO value area high. It was pretty early in the session. But still tut back in, tut back below this low too. Maybe you're looking, like I would be waiting for change of structure myself. And we got it. And once we fell back inside previous day value, that's when you're looking for your full rotation, even with the retest. Even with the retest, you're looking for a movement all the way to value area low, and it's pretty damn close to value area low on TPO blue and volume in orange. Shouts to CoinWise and all these levels. You can get them plenty of other ways. It's just so clean on CoinWise, so easy to use. And it'll show 80% setups for TPO or volume. You know, if you're looking in the right time frame. Shout out to their education and their indicator videos. Yeah, no, Diabito, level to level. Yes, Colin. Yeah, and hopefully we're not like full porting anything. So just find a reasonable invalidation. Do small money. $10 before all-time high in S&P. Is it running? Oh my goodness. It's going for it. It's going for it. Wait. I was gonna leave right at 11. Oh, dude, it's like right there. On index. How far are we? Dude, to the pixel. I don't think that that's gonna get taken, do you? It's cleaning all this. This is coming. Every day it goes for it. No shit, dude. Let's go, Curvies. Let's go, Insistence. Let's go, Colin. Husty. Let's go, A1 Ab. Is trading BTC right now a pain? It's like level to level. It's staying pretty clean with like market structure. Yeah, it might be a pain because it's not just like moving up or just moving down. but there's extremely important numbers dropping tomorrow, and it's common for markets to kind of take a breather before things like this happen. Yeah, I could see tomorrow being a catalyst for some more movement, especially with monthly options. We have some other things that we can blame as catalysts as well. Maybe could be some more fuel, including earnings. Big 7 earnings. We got Tesla, Meta, and Microsoft tomorrow. Unemployment on Thursday. Monthly options on Deribit. We already had like the monthly OPEX on TradFi, but they still have additional monthlies coming up this week. Yeah, because monthly close is on Saturday, I believe. 886-618. Dude, it's like the 999. Shout out to 999 gang. Shout out to K-Blade. Shout out to Biffum. Shout out to Colleen Noob. Shout out to Coke Zero. Let's wait until Thursday, Gucci Romo. Let's wait until Thursday. It's not looking that nice, but it's not that bad. Yeah, it's like it's kind of a doji at this point, isn't it? Yeah, when we're a lot closer to it, I'll just open it. Fuck it. I hate that it like turns everything back on. It's pretty close to a doji. That's fucking ugly, but you know, that could be an inverted hammer. I don't like that. You get some, you know, inefficiency on the monthly through here, but like, I mean, this was really bad. That was really bad. Yeah, last time you had like an engulfment like that, you at least took the like the lows. I don't know. And there's time left in the quarter. This is just the first one. The first month of the quarter. There's time to like run lows and then like bounce before monthlies or quarterlies. I need to read it. I need to read it. Let's go, maybe Band-Aid. I need to mark that down. I forgot. You see me like quoting all kinds of stuff. I'm gonna make myself sound smarter for the next stream. Like making a little reminder. I'm usually like on top of things, but I've been like hella fucking plate spinning lately. The Schwiggity Schwaggity song, oh my goodness. Dude, this playlist is 495 songs long. Yes, absolutely. Like candle patterns? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, that's just a piece of the puzzle. It's a piece of the puzzle, but yeah, a lot of people are like big into candlestick patterns. Look at them holding this shit. Yeah, even monthly, Colin. We were talking about that before we ran the all-time highs at 120. Like middle of last year. AI for trading questions, it's okay to some degree. let me just confirm this with the dashboard, but like, dude, some of just like traditional book learning and YouTube, you're gonna get better shit out of than AI. I'll use it some, but you kind of have to know what like the basic principles of it, because it'll give you something that's not always the best. Sometimes it's just flat out wrong. But most of the time it's okay. If it's just like something basic, like what is a gap? You know, it's pretty predictable. They're pulling from like normal sources. But if you're like asking for something complicated, it might be some. Oh, Dika. Yes, we are. How we doing? Yeah, we just played some bingo to like do a testnet run. Yeah, it depends on what your like prompt is, what the sources are. But I think the dashboard has some like really good tools and resources for trading education. If not, it's in the Discord books. Yeah, it's in the dashboard. One of the best books that you can read. Technical Analysis of Financial Markets by John Murphy. It is a fucking amazing book for TA. You'll get a lot of the principles in it. It's a thick one, but it is full of juice, and it's all the fundamentals. Yeah, go in the dashboard tools and resources books. Yeah, I've read all these books. Some of them are mindset books. But that one is a really great book. Yeah, one of my other favorite ones is, it used to be in here and I'm not seeing it any longer. Yeah, Dika. We're gonna be, yeah, she's thick and consistent. Yeah, we're gonna be vibing out. We're gonna play bingo on the presser. Yeah, I gotta get some new terms. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. We played a Zach, the website, there's not really like a rule book for it. You kind of develop your own rules, but some of the principles behind the more popular strategies, you can get them in some of the books, and that Murphy book is like one of the best ones, I think. It's like jam-packed, but it like covers everything pretty much. I don't know, maybe I know that you're like high-level reader, nerd out warrior. What do you think is a good one? You like the Murphy book, don't you? I wish I had read that when I first started. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot better than the old bingo game from last time, Dika. It's like a juicy version Cage made up for us. Yeah, shout out Cage. 70 on LTC or head back down. Yeah, I was supposed to look at hype for somebody. And stream's coming to a close too. Maybe. What do you think? I know that you be reading books. That Murphy book is a good starter book. Some of those mindset books are excellent. ETH highs, terrible locally. Lows, ass. Yeah, it was a good move and stuff, but that low is bad too. This is like so flat right here. I can see us taking that tomorrow. Big level at 29.75, as we were talking about last week. Yeah, and it just like rolling over from there. Goddamn. Soul. Fuck, dude. Right back to entry. Huh? Shout out to K for fucking identifying that level, huh? It's just ass. I don't even want to look at it. Hype. That was pretty good. That was a nice like break. Yeah, I need to hold up here. That was a real nice move. that just yesterday to today? God damn. Yeah, there's your break of structure right there. Broke out from this, increasing volume. I can't even fit the whole fucking chart on here. Yeah, broke out from previous day on increasing volume. Yeah, that was nice. With bad highs, clear that they were looking at higher, and then just held. This is due for a pullback, but like, man, this is very controlled. And then holding VWAP the whole way. Yeah. They got an unlock coming out. Shout outs to Houston. Get the umbrellas out. Yeah, it's a good read to start. You got any book recommendations? Hey, big shout outs to Houston, Gifton, Dika, and Colin. Hey, thank you, Houston. Too kind. Yeah, get the umbrellas out. Houston juicing. Yeah, hit him with the D, hit him with the subs. Hey, big shout outs, Houston. Yeah, and these guys are in here giving us a lot of juice for me to talk about today. Big cheers. Yeah, wait, that was the one that we wanted to see. That was it. Okay, good. All right, so range and that's it. I'm guessing that with this little high right here, we probably just took the all-time high on S&P. Did it? Did it get it? Did it get it? Did I draw that line? Did I not save it? Fucking didn't save it. No. Come on now. I kind of want to just see it break. It's gonna get taken though. I think the 69.90 Boo Gamma that we saw before, that really huge one, that's just like pulling price. Yeah, it probably gets 7K if that breaks. It's just a matter of how the daily closes. Yeah, we're not getting too much confluence from S&P right now, other than it's like pulling us up a little bit. But if we get a higher high right here, that's gonna look good for moving into the gap again. Yeah, high or low, despite the bad lows here. Yeah, flipping, pointy control, VWAPs, outside value now. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Building a second break. Yeah, Intelligent Investor is a good one. Yeah, Complete Investor. Yeah, I have a whole list of books that I really like. Some of those Dalton books are pretty good also. Look at that juice. Yeah, we just had the 4-hour open and they're just coming in with some heat. Yeah, those are good recommendations, maybe. Thank you. Hey, so I was reading that one like super juicy recharge activity that I'm gonna start implementing is trying to write with both hands more. Just for like a couple of minutes, you try to write letters with one hand and numbers with the other, and it like fucks with your brain so hard that it like resets you and you start like open up your mind a little bit. Yeah, I forget who it was. It might have been like, I don't think it was Benjamin Franklin, but it was like one of those really smart old dudes. I could cross-reference it, but there was like a historical figure that was of high significance that was able to write in 2 different languages with each hand at the same time. Pretty amazing. So we're just trying to write letters and numbers, for God's sakes. Unlock a little bit of your potential. No mama's way. Hey, shout outs to the dashboard. Big Juice coming later today. Dude, MK Ultra, don't get me started, dude. Too much Latuche. Shout outs to the dashboard, exclamation Discord for announcements for Juice and PSG. Shout outs PSG. Shout outs to the entire team. Big thank you to Housty. Big thank you to Maybe Band-Aid for the gift subs today. Big shout outs to Coke Zero going in his 3rd year. Shout outs to Biffum, Colin Noob. Big cheers to you. Thank you for joining this morning. Thanks for all the participants in bingo. Making sure tomorrow's gonna run smoothly. Super excited about it. Ooh, the Elliott. Yeah, that's true. I know. Yeah, some of them are like super dry, like difficult, but you just gotta like take it as the juice that it's offering. This high is looking like shit. Yeah, I need to get it on 30 for like a real structure. Shout out to CoinWise, exclamation CoinWise, supporting the stream, supporting all the tools that we use. Juicy education dropping this week. As always, there's like so much shit that's piled up and coming out, and they are gradually building out some really great education. It's Juice. 4 cents. 4 cents. God. Kachoya. Pixel fucking it is. I wait for price to sweep it. If I have an invalidation, like I'm not just blanket shorting all-time high. It needs to tuck back under the sweep level. Usually if I'm unsure, I wait for structure, and then you have levels for invalidation. Let's go Shwani. Thank you for the resub. Shout out to Shwani. Oh, we just ran to the end of the playlist. Okay, outro time. But yeah, shout outs to the entire team. Shout outs to Housty. Shout outs Cage. Yeah, big juice today. Looking forward to tomorrow. It's gonna be a lot of fun. This afternoon, talent show, exclamation talent show, exclamation dashboard. Don't forget about the trading competition. Space trade, exclamation space trade. It's pinned. The KCEX deposit bonus. ETH is juicing, breaking the highs, hitting that level once again. You know, it was so flat there. I don't want to click it over, but I kind of have to. We got earnings tomorrow. FOMC tomorrow. Shout outs JPZ. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. Bitcoin. F. Hey, don't worry about that settlement, but we just talked about how flat and garbage that was. Yeah, they were just like, fuck that, I'm not waiting. Yeah, I tucked back inside. That might give you invalidation for a short. Some people might be using this as their invalidation, laddering from here all the way up to here. Yeah, you got previous week VWAP right here. Yeah, so Colin, thank you. Hey, congrats on the gift sub. Shout out to the talent show. Shout outs to tomorrow, the deposit boost on KCEX. We got the potential giveaways on BTCC and TradFi trading. KIMBA's coming soon. Gold and silver coming back. Let's go, Shwani. Yeah, we charted them earlier. Yeah, I'm sure you're juicing on it. That's juice. Bugatti, Bugatti, Bugatti. Hey, come in tomorrow. Yeah, I mean, this is a key level. It's previous month point of control. We've been talking about that 2970. We were talking about this exact level last week too. But it's big. Front running the 3000. I mean, 3000 itself is just a huge psychological level with the monthlies on Thursday night, Friday morning. You know, it might be just a battle of are they going to be able to hold or reclaim that 3K level, especially with some stuff rolling over from the last monthly options yearly. All right, y'all, it's time. Hey, shout outs to all of you. Igor, A1 Lab, Indo Lion, Kimba Gang always, Aja, Vesper. Yeah, we had a rough start this morning, but it all worked out. We had a good time. We played some games. We did some juice. Did some actually kind of harder nerding out than sometimes. Even if we didn't go over as many levels, it was juicy. Yeah, and this is the RTH ETH gaps that is like kind of projected from CME over to just spot Bitcoin. So it shows you like where a gap was, and once it has filled, it hasn't filled yet. It's pretty interesting. It's a super cool like idea. Shout out to CoinWise. Exclamation CoinWise for all these juicy ass indicators and education. Bergix, Ace, Indo Lion, much love. Maybe, much love. Seriously, dude, maybe. Yeah. Big brain status, but dude, just adjust after the monthly OPEX. Oh, well, it's kind of more for like the structure and the movement, not the price. Yeah, structure, movement, and volume. In my book, you got a clean right there. That's pretty cool, I guess. Do it. I just clicked on you. You got some volume increase. Is it gonna break and hold or no? Maybe be mindful of previous day value. Yeah, we get a close up here. I'm looking for the gap fill, but I'm not convinced until we get closes up in the 91K for like this being the bottom. I'm sticking with my plan. I'm not really like taking any big positions until we see what the reaction is tomorrow. That's right, that's right. Saddest time of the day. I'm not crying, you crying. I've been saying goodbye forever, but like I had everything to shout out because I like loaded it to the end. Oh my goodness, did we get it? Did we get it? Did it pixel? I thought that it like came back to it. You sons of bitches. Yo, oh. Come on now. Come on now. Come on. Let's celebrate. Celebrate, dude. You know, if we celebrated every time S&P had a all-time high, we would fucking put I was trying to think like Frakesnet champagne out of business. There we go. Frakesnet is like $5 champagne. Yeah, we keep it down true to our roots. There's no Mwet. There's no Ace of Spades. We ain't rappers. Are we high class? I know maybe's high class, getting chauffeured in his Rolls Royce with some 85 Dom. He modified the umbrella compartment for a Latuche compartment. Let's go. Hey, big shout outs to you all. I thought they were gonna do it. They keep bullshitting. Oh, here it comes. Oh my god. Blue balls. Let's go, Colin. I'm not market smashing. I'm gonna look for a retracement. Yeah, I rarely will market smash. There it is! I'll wait for a retracement. I'm patient though, man. There it is. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's surreal. It's surreal. We did it. We did it, Lions. Biffum, much love. You're a legend. I'm just some dude up here. Like, nobody will have the trophy of being Biffum. Except for you. Now go to 7K. I know. Oh, there you go. What the fuck? They were like, oh, okay. We closed above. We closed above on the 1 minute. It's going. Bugatti. Yeah, it's too easy. It's too easy. Coin wise. Let's go, baby. All right, y'all. Love you. Love you. Hey, we did it. I can't wait for tomorrow. Y'all stick around for the talent show later. And make sure you juice up on this exchange. Make sure you get your UIDs in because you don't know when these giveaways are going to drop, and it's coming soon. Yeah, I want to do. I mean, this is definitely pulling Bitcoin up. Like, just be thankful that it's not nuking right now. Yeah, if this tucks back in, like, dude, I'm going to be a little bit not super feeling great about Bitcoin. He did. Oh, Catchoya. Shout outs to Who Juicing, exclamation Who Juicing. Exclamation Coinwise. Exclamation dashboard. See y'all tomorrow. Much love. Bugatti! Love y'all.
Class in session, lines pay attention. Professor Mandalo, juice is the lesson. Charts don't lie, numbers show the way. KIMBA gang minds turn data to the pay. Grab your notebooks, mark your lines. Patience in the jungle is how we shine. Knowledge is power, math is the key. Every young line gon' learn from me. If lines can't do it, homie, it can't be done. Work, sweat, and grind, the journey just begun. I'ma elevate the game, show you how it's won. Prepare with the wisdom lines, trades gon' run. Pressure in the candles, the market makers is frontin'. We see through they scandals, price is the box and we puntin'. Bugatti money focus, flexing on my mind.